Welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. It is another cold and overcast day today, but it's a pretty exciting day. The guys got here about an hour ago, and this is day one of the equipment / sawmill building, and they are ripping right along. Let me show you what they got done in the last hour. So in an hour and 15 minutes, they've got 7 posts in the ground already. And by the way, they're running a Kubota SVL 75. They're flying. So they're getting all the metal up on the sides. They were hoping to get the metal roof on today. And by the way, I think it's only 10:30, 11 in the morning. They started yesterday morning. But if it keeps snowing like this, I doubt they'll put the metal roof on. That roof would get real slick on a day like today. May have to wait till Monday, but that's no big deal. Guys are fast and good. You can see they got all the corner bracing in up there. Eventually, you know, probably in the spring, before we pour the pad in there, we'll put some walls up here and there, different places, kind of figure out the workflow with the sawmill, the log splitter, all that kind of stuff. And also on this side right here, I could put a lean-to the whole length of the building right here, and we could use that for firewood storage. But this gives us a lot of different options here. My wheels are turning. Well, it's a little snowy. Nothing like Buffalo, New York. I guess they're getting absolutely pounded, but the roads are pretty slick. The ground temperature is still kind of warm, and the snow's landing on it. It's starting to melt, and then it's refreezing again. And we were almost just in an accident a few minutes ago. It wouldn't have been anything bad, but someone else almost caused it. So tell them what happened, Melissa.
We were almost in an accident. We were coming down, creeping down a hill, and it was on a sharp bend. And
they call it Devil's Elbow, and if that gives you any indication of what it's like, very steep, sharp turn. But go on.
Yeah. So the car in front of us, you could see they kind of didn't lose control, but skidded this way and slid and just stopped
at the bottom.
And actually, he like put it in reverse for a little bit. And we're honking the horn, and
because there's cars coming behind us.
We're kind of doing the same. There's 2 or 3 cars behind us, and the person just stops and like kind of motions like go, and it's already on this sharp bend.
Yeah, and there's 4 or 5 coming down the hill behind us, and somehow we didn't all pile up.
We were able to creep around them and be like, "Oh my goodness!"
It's best sometimes just to keep moving.
Right. I wasn't sure what his plan was, but...
Well, we just went to lunch, and Melissa's got
some leftovers.
Got some leftovers, and I'm going to go down and show you what they got done on the building at the WoodYard. They did not get finished, but they're coming back tomorrow. I thought it was going to be Monday, but they'll be back tomorrow.
All right.
If it's not snowing.
Sounds good.
Those guys, they work in all weather, but you do not want to get on that metal roof.
Oh, no, right.
With snow.
Not with any snow, especially this snow. It's very slippery.
All right.
And here in the Pittsburgh area, we say slippy.
Slippy.
Slippy out. Be careful.
So today is the last day of archery season. So you know what that means. I'm going to head out to the mini cabin this afternoon, turn on the Big Buddy heater, and just kind of check things out until dark. Speaking of checking things out, here's what they got done. I think all they're lacking, like I said, is the metal roof. Hopefully this snow lets up here this afternoon, and tomorrow I don't think they're calling for any, but they've done an incredible amount of work just in the last day and a half. They got snowed out this morning at 10:30, so they didn't really work a day and a half on it. This is really going to open up some possibilities down here. It should work out just perfect. Like I said, right over here is going to be the Wolfe Ridge conveyor going over into the firewood bunker. On this side where we're parked right here, we'll end up putting some lean-tos here. The weather usually comes from that direction over there, so that'll probably be the first wall that we put up over on that side. We'll use some of that white pine from West Virginia for that, but it'll be great just to have things under this roof here. But anyway, I think that's about it for today's video. I appreciate y'all being here, and I will catch you on the next one.